Hello friends, good things are going to happen. Hoping all are good and preparing well for your exams. As you all know, mathematics is the game of practice. So we should do regular practice for the mathematics. So for our practice, we should know about the tricks of the mathematics which will be very helpful in our practice. So today I am going to discuss a very simple trick of algebra. By this trick, we can solve mainly 70% of the algebra questions in very second of times. So let's discuss. The number of variables is more than the number of equations in the given question. Then extra variable can be put anything like 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, and the rest is there. And the value that we put in the given equation should satisfy the given equation. So let us understand this trick by a simple question. So in a given question, let us suppose we are given equation x plus y is equals to 3, and we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 9y plus 1 into x plus y. So in this question, we are given one equation, and in this one equation we have two variables. So we can assume the second variable, that is extra, as 0. So by putting the second variable y is equal to 0, we get the value of x is equals to 3, and by putting y is equal to 0 in the given equation which will be asked, whose value is asked, so we get the minimized equation, that is x cube plus x. Now putting the value of x, which we get x is equal to 3, so putting x is equal to 3 in the given equation, we get 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. So this is the trick by which we can solve a question in seconds of time. Now also we have given two equations, a plus 1 upon b is equals to 1 and b plus 1 upon c is equals to 1. Then we have to find c plus 1 upon a. So in this equation we have two equations, and in two equations we have three variables. It means there is one extra variable in the equation. So putting this extra variable 0, but by putting this extra variable 0, we get the equation we get the equation undefined, b is equal to 1. By putting b is equals to 1 in the given equation first, we get a is equal to 0. We get the value of a is 0, and by putting the value of a in this equation which is asked, and by putting a is equal to 0 in this equation, we get undefined infinity. So we cannot put b is equal to 1. Now let's try for b is equal to 2. By putting b is equal to 2 in the equation first, a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1, we get the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. By putting the value of a and b in the equation second, we get the value of c, and the value of c will be minus 1. By putting the values of a is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus 1 in the required equation, we get the value minus 1. So in this trick we discuss mainly how to solve an algebra questions. Now one more question we should discuss. Let us assume a question is given in which m square plus p square plus k square upon mp plus pk plus mk is equal to 1. It is given, and we have to find m plus p upon k plus p plus k upon n plus m plus k upon p. So in this question we have given one equation, and in this one equation we have three variables, and there is two extra variable because we have only one equation and three variables, means two extra variables, and these two extra variables we can put any fixed value. If we try, if we try m is equal to p is equal to 0, then equation was undefined or infinity, because in the denominator we get the 0, so we cannot put m is equal to p is equal to 0. So now let's try with m is equal to p is equal to 1. By putting m is equal to p is equal to 1 in the equation, we get the short equation 2 plus k square upon 1 plus 2k is equal to 1. And by solving this equation, we get the value of k is equals to 1. So we get all the variables have equal value, that is 1. So putting the values of all the variables is equals to 1, we get this, and we get the answer 6. So this is the trick for algebra. By this trick we can solve about 70% of algebra in time.